All right, I'm going to show you these LED strip lights that I got. It says colorful lights, IP20, non-waterproof but suitable for indoor use only. And make sure the surface that you're putting it on is clean. This is what they look like right out of the box. You got a remote to turn them on and off and change the colors and some various settings as well. You also have this power cord. You're just going to plug this one into that one. This is like a wireless receiver, I think. And then you can plug each of these into those. Make sure you plug them in the right way because apparently that matters. If you get it wrong, just turn it around. This is what the LEDs look like up close. You're going to be able to stick this to whatever surface you want to stick it to, and then these will light up on the other side. I'm going to plug this in. They turn on right away when you plug them in. So let's turn it off. To use the remote, you're going to point it at that controller box. Turn it on. Let's change the color. Here's red, green, blue, white, orange, yellow, cyan, and purple. You could also dim them. Or make them brighter. You can do a couple different fades. So you got various options there. I'm going to hook these up behind my TV and see how they look. Alexa, turn on the TV backlight. That's so cool. I love that I can control these with Alexa or with Google. Alexa, change the TV backlight to blue. It just adds a different kind of ambiance in this room. I think it's really, really cool. It was not too hard to put together because the lights literally have tape on the back of them. So you just peel it off and stick it on, and you can kind of see the pattern that I did there. Kind of a grid. But yeah, I really like the way it turned out. You can easily turn them on and off. Alexa, turn off the TV backlight. Or turn it back on. Alexa, turn on the backlight, TV backlight. Alexa, change the TV backlight to green. Just really cool. So you can change the ambiance in your room just by talking to your Alexa machine and by adding these LED lights to the back of your TV. Pretty cool. I like it.